Ooh. Ooh. Plazmaman. It's really good. Now it's not touching, but boy is it close. It's about how close I am to losing my shit right there. Pretty close, boys. So now I'm working on the brackets to hold the wires. They're gonna bolt to the head and they come up. So I've got the first one designed, and then I was looking at it, and well, it looks like a dick. So that's neat. Wires are basically done on this side. So there's one bracket there, and there's a bracket back there that I need to cut the end off of because it's a little too long for no reason. So that's it. Those just bolt to those. But overall, it at least is gonna look clean. Do you see it? That little tab? It's in the way of my fitting, just like that one was. So we just got to cut it off in the safest way possible. Now, I realized that I was blasting my camera, or phone rather, but here we go. So a lot of people struggle with AN fittings. Now this stuff's way easier to work with than steel braided, but it can still be kind of a pain. So I just used a little Vaseline on the threads because that's what I had. It helps them slide easier, and then I taped this up. And I used a rag and the vise, obviously, but I just taped that fitting up because I don't have the right tools, and I don't want to scratch it all to piss. So 2 rounds of tape, metric adjustable. Let's get this done. One scratch-free, beautiful fitting. One more to go. Then we'll have 2 lines on. We're getting close. I just need my boy Andrew to give me some plugs. We'll be ready to rock and roll. Sweet. Catch can lines are done. That's not really part of this video, but I just got my fittings. So, hey, you can see there's my bracket for my wires. I can get a finger in there. You think a finger's enough clearance? Should be, right? So I need to powder coat these, which I'll probably do that tomorrow. YouTube videos are funny. So, can you see me? You don't want to eat that. So YouTube videos are funny because you don't really see the time it takes to go into something. Like, I've been working on this for about a week, a couple hours at a time, usually after work, but it takes more time than people think. And with YouTube videos, it looks like, oh yeah, it's simple. You just kind of slap a couple things together there and you're done. But that's not usually how it works. I've got a lot of time into this just because everything has to be custom, so it'd be a whole lot easier if I could just buy stuff and bolt it on. But it's coming together. So we're pretty much all fitted up now. And yes, I keep looking around at things because I'm looking at stuff that I need to fix. So it's all pretty much fitted now, and then it just all has to come back apart. Coat everything, test everything, make sure the wires are good, get my extensions for the coils, run those wires, and then put it back together and it'll be done. I still have to extend this plug for the coolant sensor because it won't reach. It's just too tight. So I need to extend it, and then I'm going to run it down and around with these wires, which are going to run on top of this bracket. And they'll run up to here and down where they're supposed to go. All right. What's in the box? All right, try to open this. Oh, with one hand. Coil plug extensions and some wire loom. So the dudes at Haltech are awesome. Haltech pulls through again. Coil pack extension, easy peasy. I say easy peasy a lot. What am I, 6? There it is. All done. Covers are on. Catch cans mounted. Lines are in. Coil relocations. Extended wires. Coil relocations. Boom, 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 boom. Let's fire it up. Oh. Let's see. Here we go. So fresh and so clean. I didn't film an outro because I'm no good at it. But I do have the car outside and it's snowy and it's cold. There it is. Try to keep the sun out of it. Anyway, if you like the video that you're watching, comment on it or subscribe or like it or block me, whatever. Do what you gotta do. So, catch you on the next one.